Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday morning. Hope you're all doing well. Hope you had a nice weekend. Some general announcements before we begin. There's been an update to the grading policy by the district, and I've posted a video narrated by Mrs. Young, our principal, about what these changes are. But in a nutshell, you can now choose between getting a letter grade versus a credit, no credit for any or all of your classes. Okay, and in the presentation, you will see what the implications are for either one of the choices. Okay, since this is a college prep course, biology, I would recommend that you choose the letter grade, and then after that, or in that vein, I would recommend that you turn in the assignments, do the tests, and improve your grade as we progress through the fourth quarter, all right, for your final semester grade. Regarding the test for the last unit, today is the last day to take the test for first and third period, and tomorrow will be the last day to take the test for second period. And if you want to retake it, it's the same thing. The window's open for both things. All right. If you run into problems, please email me or leave a comment on the classroom page, and I will fix any issues that we have with that. All right. And then, so in that vein, I will be posting the grades, including points for your assignments that that go with the test by Wednesday. So please check Aries on Wednesday for the most updated grade book. All right, so on to the new unit. In the past lessons, I said that we would be starting a unit called evolution. I kind of changed it to natural selection, but it's basically the same thing. Natural selection is the process by which evolution occurs in living organisms on Earth, as scientists have observed using fossilized data, geological data. All right, so we're going to start with that. And the anchor phenomena we're using for this unit is the interaction between antibiotics and bacteria. And later on, we'll discuss what COVID is doing, or what will COVID the virus will be doing as time progresses. So an important distinction: corona is a virus, or the COVID virus is in the family of coronaviruses. And so it's a virus, not a bacteria, but it's doing something, or it will be doing, or viruses do something similar to what bacteria do. All right, so let me minimize myself and talk about this document that is posted on Google Classroom as you're reading this or watching this video. All right, so first of all, I'd like you to define a few terms: antibiotics, bacteria, and penicillin. All right, look these up. If you have your textbook handy, you can look them up in there. If you don't, try and search for a good, reliable online source for definition. Okay, make sure you check a few of them to make sure you're not getting strange definitions for these. And please put them or type in the definitions in your own words. All right, so there's a video for number 2 for the second item on the document that you need to watch. Okay, so the link takes you to a YouTube page, and you can watch a brief history of Dr. Fleming and his discovery of an antibiotic called penicillin, right? And at the end, they briefly talk about something called MRSA. You may have heard of this term before, or if you go to the doctor, they usually have a poster up in the room, in the examining room, talking about MRSA. And so give it a try. Let me see what you think about what MRSA is. You don't have to do in-depth investigation about what MRSA is and provide a very detailed explanation, but still think about what MRSA is. They kind of give you a hint about it, right? But in this, you're basically um, summarizing Dr. Fleming's findings regarding the discovery of something called penicillin. All right, so please provide a summary in the space. Obviously, when you open this document, a copy will be made for you. So you are welcome to edit this document as you see fit. You can put more space or use more space if you like. All right, so after that, item number three, you're going to visit this link that takes us to a presentation, or takes you to the presentation for this unit. The presentation is only a few slides long, all right? And it begins with asking you to make a prediction, all right? What is going to happen to the bacteria over time? Actually, you know what? I will flip these. So you need to watch this video, right? The video explains what's happening, what the scientists are doing with this mega MEGA plate, where they are creating sections and pouring this is a petri dish basically, and petri dish has food, which is this agar gel, which the bacteria will eat, and so what scientists will do is they will create a plate with bacterial food, and then in this plate, what they're doing is they're sectioning off different sections and pouring different concentrations of something called antibiotic. Okay, and if you read the presentation, you'll understand what antibiotics are. And so your job is to make a prediction of what do you think will happen as the bacteria is poured in the zero concentration section of the plate, and as the bacteria naturally grows into the other sections, all right? And explain why you made that prediction, and we will discuss this process, and I will discuss what your predictions and what is possible or what is happening in the next lesson, right? So if you have any questions or concerns, please leave a comment or email me, and I will get back to you appropriately. All right. Hope you're all doing well. Hope you're safe, and hope you have a good rest of Monday today.